Hi, this is Neil with a quick demo of the new Align Mesh Items tool that's part of March for Modo 701. So a common task is to align one mesh item to another, and March features a cool new tool for that. So I'm just going to select 2 points on these simple elevation plans I've got here, run the new Align Mesh Items tool, and you can see we've instantly got some on-screen handles and some information about the distances. Here we've got a target. We can simply click on that and instantly align from one point to another. We can also control independently the alignment along one or more axes. Notice that we can keep our focus in the 3D viewport while we do this. It's really quite cool. And you can see we very quickly aligned one mesh item to another. Another cool feature about this tool is it uses the select through workflow. So I can simply select another point and we're going again. Jump it up and the job is done. It really is very fast, intuitive and fun to use.